delivery parts. I'm going to introduce you the newest product, the bakery cases. For this one, take a look at the overall sizes. The length about 60 inches per unit. And the depth will be 27 inches. The overall height will be 47.5 inches. The space counters almost 18 inches. Let's turn around to take a look at the inside and the measurements. This is also the two sliding door units. Have handles here. Coming with the two layers inside. And the bottom shelvings for this one will be 15 inches. And the bases entirely will be almost 23 inches. The length for the shelvings will be 55 inches. Also, you can see here have the controllers right here and the switcher for the lights. US 110 plugs right here, standard one. Thank you so much for watching these videos. If you have more questions, please contact with us and we will help you and assist in more details. Thank you.